Coaches, today I'm going to show you how to purchase a bunch of USA cards all at once. Some coaches I know, you buy cards for your whole team. They pay for it at registration and you buy it. So this is an easy way to do it. So I'm going to enter my USA Wrestling account. Again, that website is usawmembership.com. I'm going to log in. And here I'm going to go to Manage. I'm going to go to Clubs. Here, if you don't have access to your club, you'll need to get access to your club. So how you do that, you just click on the club, Manage Club. I'm going to go to Permissions. And then the person that has access will need to do this. You'll search for your profile, and then add permission for that member. So pretty simple. If you can't get that done, let me know. I can definitely help with that. So I'm going to go to Manage Clubs again. I'm going to help Granger out today. So I'm going to manage their club. I'm going to go to Uploads. So here, download example file. So this is an example file. You don't have to use this one. You can use this one, but I'm going to download it, and this is what it's going to look like. It's just an example. It has your athletes in it. And basically, these are the column headings that you need to do this. So you can delete all this. You can create your own with these headings, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. Download field explanations. So this explains each column and what is needed in each column. So the USA Wrestling ID column, it's required only if renewing a membership for an athlete. Membership type, you need to type out the exact same thing. So if you're getting a full athlete membership, you need to put full athlete membership, not just full. And it kind of says email's optional, so you don't have to include that. So this gives you a rundown of what is required, what's optional. So when you're having signups for your club, you know what information to gather. So I'm going to get out of that. So once you have that, I'm going to pull up Granger here because I'm working on helping them get their cards. And this is their spreadsheet. So you can see here USA IDs right here, the membership type, full athlete membership, their emails, the parent to isn't required, so we don't have that in there. Everything else that's required is filled in there. So I'm going to show you what happens if you don't have their USA ID. So I'm gonna delete that one. So for Park Beeler, I'm gonna put no USA ID. So let's say I didn't know he had one, or I didn't know what his ID was. I'm just gonna leave that blank and go ahead and save it. And now once you have your Excel file, you're gonna choose a file and you're gonna select it. You're gonna upload it. So I'm gonna hit upload file. And as you'll see here, they'll all pop up error count. So the profile the ID that I deleted is Park Beeler, and actually gives you his ID. So if you don't have their ID, don't worry about it. Go ahead and upload it. It's going to tell you what their ID is. And then at that point, what I'll do is I'll take this spreadsheet and I'll just go ahead and add in his ID number. Okay, so now I have all the IDs. I'm going to save it again. And get out of this. And as you can see, when I uploaded it the first time, 8 of the 9 were successful. So obviously Park Beeler is one that was unsuccessful. And if you go to your cart, you'll have those 8 will actually be in the cart ready to go. Park Beeler would not be because I didn't have the correct information for him. So I'm going to go back to where it was, the uploads. And I'm going to re-upload that file again. I'm going to upload the file. And as you can see, there's error count 8 because I've already put 8 of them into the cart. Okay. We had 1 success, so now I have all 9 in the cart. As you can see, the error membership has already been purchased, which means it's in the cart. Actually hasn't been purchased. I added 1 to my additional 8. So now they're all in the cart. Go to my cart. You see all 9 of them are in here. They're ready at the price. They're ready to be purchased. So then I hit acknowledge and I pay and we're good to go. So a couple things on the spreadsheet. As you're doing the spreadsheet, the things need to be kind of written out the correct way on where it explains each of the columns. So full athlete membership, you can't just write out full. It needs to be the full athlete membership. That way it recognizes it. So all these columns, like I said, in the uploads explanation that I showed you guys, it explains how to write everything out. But it's pretty simple. It goes super quick as long as you get the right information. Like I said, if you don't have the USA ID numbers, it's okay, because when you try and upload it, it's going to give you an error and give you that number. So it should be pretty simple as you have your signups. Just make sure to get their correct information. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me. I'm always willing to help, even if I need to purchase the memberships for you and help you on that side. So hopefully that helps. That way now you don't have to go through one by one and purchase their memberships, because that takes a long time. This is super quick and easy. Just get the right information at registration.